Hello everyone, welcome to all of you. As we all know, for GATE 2025, answer key and response sheet has been released. And I'm sure you guys already calculated your marks. On the basis of your marks, if you are aiming for the PSUs, then surely in your mind you are having this doubt, what is the selection process, what is the expected cutoff, what will be the pay scale. Then in this series I'm going to cover all these things, dear students, about the PSUs. And here we are going to start with the very first PSU, GAIL, which is a Maharatna. Let's start. So first of all, we are talking about the GAIL. We know very well GAIL is a Maharatna. Okay, and let's talk about the introduction of the GAIL. GAIL India Limited, formerly known as an Gas Authority of India Limited, is a Maharatna public sector undertaking. Okay, and it is a Maharatna PSU and India's flagship natural gas company. Even it's having interest in the solar and wind power, telecom and telemetry services, named as an GAIL. I'm sure you guys know about the GAIL, and even electricity generations also. GAIL was founded as the Gas Authority of India Limited in the August 1984, but in on the 1st February 2013, the Indian government conferred GAIL with Maharatna status along with the 11 other PSUs. Okay. If you are looking for the selection process, then this is the general selection process for the GAIL, okay, which we can expect every year. So if I'm talking about the selection process, it based on the GATE scorecard. First of all, they will shortlist you on the basis of your GATE scorecard. Then they will call you for the group discussion and personal interview. Along that, what the essential qualification we want, so you should have BE Tech with the minimum 65% marks for the general category. Then you will get the post of engineer trainee or executive trainee here. That will be your designation. Okay, if you are from chemical, civil, EC, EE, IN, mechanical, CS, then you are eligible for this one. Okay, every year it depends on branch to branch, but this is the gender, these are the general branches. On means for these GAIL used to recruit. Okay, age limit should be 26 year, and then you will get the amount 60,000 to 1,80,000 per month. Let's talk about in the detail about the emoluments. So when I'm talking about here emoluments here, so this is the selected candidates will be placed in the pay scale of 60,000 to 1,80,000 at the basic pay of 60,000 during 1 year training period. After completion of training, bacho, or 1 year probation, you will get the executive trainee in the E2 grade, and then you will get this pay scale, which is same 60,000 to 1,80,000. सिर्फ यही नहीं, इसके अलावा अदर देन दिस यू विल गेट द अदर अलाउंसेस, पे एंड अलाउंसेस, वेरिएबल पे एंड अदर बेनिफिट्स आल्सो. सो इट विल बी श्योरली a very good amount for you every year. If I'm talking about expected cutoff, so please look at here, what should be the expected cutoff here. I'm talking about majorly here chemical, instrumentation, electrical and mechanical. Okay, so executive training for general categories cutoff was 62, for OBC 53.3, SC 53, ST 42.67, EWS 50 for, okay, for the chemical branch. If I'm talking about the executive trainee instrumentation, so general 52.67, OBC 52.67, ST and EWS also 26 and 36.67. It can be plus minus 5%, you can add, even I will say plus 5% you can include here, because this is based on the previous data. Okay, and this is for electrical branch, general 57 point something, OBC 54 point something, SC and ST 43 and 42 point something. And for the executive trainee mechanical, general 76.26, OBC 74 and ST 57 point something. Okay, this is based on the old data. If I'm talking about the GAIL expected cutoff, okay, this year, if we are talking about GATE 2025, on the basis of GATE 2025, even you can see here, when I will click on here, this is the official announcement given by the GAIL itself. Okay, when they are going to recruit on the basis of GATE 2025, they released this one, and here this year they released notification for the chemical, instrumentation, electrical, mechanical and computer science and IT students this year. Okay, so as I told you, those are the general branches recruitment, but this year on the basis of GATE 2025, they released this branches. You can see pay scale is same 60,000 to 1,80,000. Bachelor degree with 65% marks they required, yes, surely. Okay, they mentioned some number of vacancies also. This is the recruitment on the basis of GATE 2025. Okay, if I'm talking about this one, the expected cutoff this year. So for executive trainee chemical general, we can expect a range between 66 to 69. Again, here you can add plus 5%, okay, because it can vary, even because till now to GATE 2025 result has been not declared now. So once the cutoff for GATE 25 has been released, then surely it will be very little bit. Okay, for OBC 56 to 60, SC ST 50 to 58. Then if I am talking about instrumentation branch, for general 62 to 66 plus minus 5% you can include. OBC 52 to 57, SC ST 40 to 50. So if a student is having marks, okay, in this range, then yes, there is a chance you can get this PSU GAIL bachcho. Okay, if I am talking about for the electrical and mechanical. So for electrical and mechanical general, this is 66 to 70, OBC 58 to 65, SC ST 52 to 56. But for the mechanical now, always it is higher. Okay, among all these branches, mechanical is having a high range cutoff. So general, for general in mechanical 76 to 80, OBC 70 to 75, SC ST 60 to 66. This is the expected cutoff we are saying. It's not the final. In this one, as I told you, yes, we can have some variation, plus or minus 5% you can carry, because it depends on the actual GATE 2025 result. But still it will give you idea bachcho ki yes, whether you are eligible for the GAIL or not. Okay guys, so in this series I will come with more videos with more PSU's information for you dear students. Till that, keep learning, keep sharing, and yes, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you guys.